So you're at the conference this year. I didn't know you were coming.
Yeah, of course, Alan. I come every year. How's it going, man?
Well, it's going okay. I'm trying to run my business on this BlackBerry. I didn't bring my laptop, and boy, it's a push.
Really? So I know exactly what you mean, but last week I got really lucky. My company put me on this new Windows phone, and so far it's been amazing.
You have to show me it. What do you mean?
Well, so you do a lot of email, for example, right?
I do.
Well, so let me show you how they handle email on Windows Phone. First of all, I can organize myself really well. I can put all of my personal inboxes in one place, Hotmail and Yahoo Mail in my case, and then I can have my Outlook mail separated right here. And so if I go inside of Outlook, you'll notice it's extremely fast, and it looks and feels a lot like Outlook does on the PC. I have intuitive filters, so I can see all of my mail, unread, flagged only, urgent. It really lets me easily consume my email, and like I said, it looks and feels like Outlook on the PC, so conversations expand and collapse in the same view. I can even read rights-protected emails right from my phone now.
Well, I thought the BlackBerry was the best device for email. I'm behind David, aren't I?
Well, you know, it's never too late to upgrade. And by the way, did you see that James is at the conference as well?
Did you get an email from him? I didn't.
No, check it out. It's on his live tile.
Well, now wait, I don't know what a live tile is. Show me what that is.
Right. So that's another thing on Windows Phone. Right on my start screen, I have all of these tiles that give me information right up front, so I don't have to dive into separate apps in order to see all of the things I want to find out about. So I can see my stock prices, for example, my current calendar item, and I have a pin for James's contact card right on my start screen, and so I can see his notification. But if I want to see more information about James, I simply tap into that, and it brings me into his contact card. And you see all of this different information that's coming from different networks. That's because in Windows Phone, all of these social networks are built into the phone. That includes LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. I can see all of these different things about James right from his contact card, but what's best, I can see all of our communication history right from this view here, and so it makes it really easy for me to manage my communications with different people.
What was this one tile that said team on it?
Oh, so that's a group. So it's a really cool feature. I can group different people in one place. And so here I have a group for all of my team. And with just one tap, I can send them all an email and we'll let them know that we're having lunch.
Oh, that reminds me. I've got to send an email to Jane because we're going to be late. Let me see. I have it somewhere in here.
Actually, don't worry about it, man. I just did that.
Wait, how did you do it that quickly? You were showing me something else.
So this is one of my favorite features I really wanted to show you. First of all, let me show you the calendar. It's really nice, it's easy to see. Most Windows phones have large touch screens, so I can really get a lot of screen real estate and see my calendar. I can have different calendars here too, so you see the different colors. Those are coming not just from Outlook, but also Windows Live or my Gmail calendar. And so here's the feature that I really, really love. I simply click on the meeting we have with Jane this afternoon. I knew we were going to be late, so I tap on the I'm late button. It automatically formats an email that I can send to her in one click.
Wow, that is so cool. I could use that with my boss, and I think I could use it with my wife too, but please don't tell my wife.
I'm not going to tell.
Well, you talked about a migration when we first started talking.
Yeah.
How did you handle that migration? Did you get hooked up to Office 365?
Yeah, so as you know, we use Office 365. So another really cool thing that's built into the phone is Office. So if I go into the Office hub right here, I can see all of my OneNote notes, I can see my PowerPoint decks, my Word documents, my Excel spreadsheets, and they're all really high fidelity, by the way. So if I go into this PowerPoint deck, for example, you'll see that it has all of the animations. It has a nice slide transition, exactly as you'd expect.
Well, I got that deck also and opened it in the BlackBerry, but it doesn't look anything like that at all.
Hey, at least it got it open, right?
Yeah, I got it open.
So you asked me about Office 365 and how easy it was to connect.
Right.
Extremely easy. All I had to do was go into my settings and then into my accounts. Adding an account for Office 365 is as simple as simply putting my credentials in and I'm good to go. It connects to my email, it connects to my Teams site, I can see my documents. It was just that fast.
Well, I want to know more. How are we going to connect up after this conference?
Well, let's see. Why don't we connect over Link? That way we can connect on the PC and on the phone.
Well, wait a minute. Link works on your phone?
You bet it does. I have Link right here on my start screen. It's an application. I open it up and it's going to show me all of my contacts and I can instant message with my different contacts. And what's really cool is if you send me an instant message on Link, I can actually get a push notification on my phone so that I make sure not to miss your IM. And what's even better is if you call me over link, I can have it redirect right to my phone.
Boy, I'm stuck with sending an IM. I've got to send a PIN number to get somebody to let me know if I can IM them. It's really painful.
I know it is. So we're going to have a warm lunch and you're going to feel a lot better about it.
I think I would feel much better if I had a Windows phone.